When you started out in the industry, it was Mr. Bappi Lahiri Sahab
Yes.
who introduced you to the film industry.
Yes, absolutely.
How was it with him? How did he find you? How did you know him? Please tell us everything.
Okay. No, I started off really on stage, doing a little song in the Indian adaptation of Evita. And then I got a lot of modeling assignments, blah, blah, blah. And then, someone heard me sing and they said, "Oh, why don't you really take it up, seriously?" I was like, I was hoping someone would say that. And so then someone said, Bappi Lahiri is very open to newcomers and listening to new voices. Why don't you just go and give him a tape or go there and meet him? And I was a little reluctant because I've never done anything like that before, but I did. I was quite confident and I went up to Mehboob Studios and I said, "Hello, I'm Alicia." And he just looked at me and he said, "Acha, tu modeling karti ho?" I said, "Haan, but I also want to sing." And so then I gave him a tape that, from the Evita song. And he heard it and he was like smiling away. I said, "Bahut acha awaaz hai." I said, "Okay, thank you." And he said, "Sham ko aa jana. There's a song and I want you to sing it." And I said, "Okay." And he gave me the demo tape, He said, "Ye seekh ke aa jana." I said, "Theek hai." I came there and did one or two rehearsals. Bingo! One take, done. It was like amazing. It was such an epic moment because it was the first song that I ever sang, for the music industry in India. And it was like wonderful. And it was for a film called Tarzan.
Yes.
Yeah. So,
So after that, आपने बहुत सारे collaborations किए उनके साथ में.
Yeah.
Like the whole of 80s, 90s particularly. So you did most of the songs for Mithun Chakraborty's films, if I'm not wrong, with Bappi Da.
yeah, initially, yes.
Initially.
But Dance, Tarzan, and a couple of others, yes.
So do you have any memories with Mithun sir and them together?
No, I don't think he ever really came for the recordings. No, it was only Bapida and Anjan Saab, who wrote the lyrics. It was just us, really.
Okay. So, ma'am, when you sang your very first song,
Yeah.
what is the first thing that you did after you were done recording it?
Well, I was in a celebratory mood, and I came back home and I called up some of my friends and I said, "Let's go dancing." And they said, "Why are you so happy?" I said, "Well, I recorded a song, for Bappi Lahiri, and he was very famous, of course." So they said, "Oh, wow, man, that's cool." I said, "I think I got it really good. It sounded really like wow." So,
And after that, you went on to sing for the biggest of the biggest
Yes.
celeb actors of that time, like from a Sridevi to a Madhuri Dixit, Juhi Chawla, Divya Bharti, Karishma Kapoor,
Aishwarya
Aishwarya Rai, Kajol, Kareena Kapoor.
Yeah.
Like in every era,
Yeah.
you sang for all the top heroines.
Yes.
I mean, how do you modulate of course you are a singer and that's natural to you, but when it comes to singing for a particular person, then are there any nuances that you take from them, or you just be yourself?
Most of the time, I think I'm just myself, because I'm there. I feel I'm owning the song, it's like my song. And I do it like a performance. So when I do that, my expressions are very good, because I'm actually performing it and really feeling it. There's a feel in it. And I think maybe the actresses, in fact, kind of get that vibe, the feel, and they adapt to that voice.
Yeah.
That's what I feel. It's a perfect chemistry, Like when I sang for Kajrare, and I didn't even know it was Aishwarya Rai.
Oh, you didn't
They
know?
said ki it's an item song and, on a top heroine. They didn't say who it was. But I just sang it any which way. It was a qawwali, modern qawwali, so adaptation. So whatever, I just sang it in my own style. whatever.
That song it broke records.
Yeah.
It was amazing. Till date, people listen to it.
Yeah.
They dance to it in
Yeah.
at parties, clubs. The song is still very popular.
It is.
It is.
And even, I mean, there's so many. It's Rocking, Bebo,
It's
Kaate
ro-
Nahi Katte
Yes.
of Sri Devi.
Kaate Nahi Katte you sang with Kishore Kumar South.
Kishorda. I was so lucky and fortunate that, I sang that song with him. That was the second song. After Bapida, I think baat phail jati hai ki, oh, there's this new singer, blah, blah, blah. So I got a call from Shekhar Kapoor and he said, we'd like you to try this song from his office, whatever. And then I went there and there was Shekhar and, he said, we'd like you to sing this song. And I was like, yeah, sure. Sing it's a duet with Kishore Kumar. I was like, oh, I was obviously like, really
How old were you
awestruck.
back then?
Is that a question?
No. I mean, I just want to know how young were you back then? That's
Very young.
because it happens, with time,
Yes.
with age, you get that
Yes.
confidence, you get that experience.
Yeah.
I mean, you just started out and it's Kishore Da in
Yeah.
front of you. So
Yes. No, but of course, it was very oomphy, the song, and there was a seduction scene, and she was singing to Mr. India who was invisible. So there were all these oohs and ahs in it. And mostly it was just that Kishorda was, right in the same room, which normally doesn't happen these days. So there was such an electricity, vibe in the room, which was just amazing. And that's half the reason why your performance became even better. And I really went into it, and that was great. And I rehearsed it, of course, for a day before
Okay.
I actually came because he's too big to kind of mess around with. So then I had rehearsed it, and then we did a take.
did you, apart from recording, did you all have the chance to talk to each other and or
No.
anything?
No, because he came, and everyone was, Kishore Das here. He sat. We were in the same recording room, and Babida said, Lakshmikant ji. Lakshmikant Pyarelal, they said she's a new singer and she's going to sing. And he just looked at me very like, oh, okay, ye kya gaane wali hai? I'm sure that's what he thought. Let's see. And then he started clowning around. The usual, funny jokes and silly things. And I'm trying not to get distracted because I was trying to concentrate on my song and getting it right, because it was so big, such a big song. And then finally we went on the mic. So he didn't say, kya karti ho? All that silly conversation didn't happen. It was more, getting into the zone, clowning around, not reacting, and then on the mic. That was it.
Wow.
So he was already rehearsed. He's probably a pro. So, and then we sang it, and then he left without even saying anything to me. He just left. He was, I don't know. He felt that, I don't know what he felt, but he thought it was good. I know that.
Of course, was good. It still is good.
Yeah. He was actually shocked that, oh my God, wow, it's good. And then he had to leave or whatever, so he left. So there was no chance to really talk to him or interact with him or anything, but whatever little I, did have a chance to, I think I was very lucky.
Yeah. But the song is very iconic. In
Yes.
fact, whenever anyone plays Antakshari and the alphabet, the letter K comes, the first thing they sing is Kaate Nahi Katte.
Swear, really. That was so beautiful.
Yeah.
The blue sari.
And especially if there's a team and you want to propose to someone from the other team, so people tend to sing this song.
Oh, is it?
In fact, Maine Pyar Kiya also had this, the Salman Khan film. Salman Khan
Yes,
Bhagyashree film.
हाँ.
Yes,
Even had an Antakshari.
they had this whole sequence where they had an Antakshari and the girl sings this song and says, I love
Oh,
you.
really?
Yes.
Kaate nahi karte?
Yes.
How come I'm... Well, I have seen it, but I don't
You may have
remember that. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, do you follow the current music, the current age music of the industry?
Yeah, I mean, I listen to it, but I'm not glued to it. No.
What do you think is missing that?
Um, the productions are great, you know. Um, the first thing is that it's become so digital, so it's become a bit, in a way, plastic. You're not with your co-singer or whatever, so again the chemistry is not there, and the melody is missing. That's what I find missing, which is why we always have to go back to great old melodies and do remixes and things like that. So yeah, so that the new generation can listen to the beautiful melodies of the past. Yeah.
Your song Zubi Zubi was also remixed.
Oh yeah, Zubi Zubi and every song.
Many songs.
Every song.